Hey everyone, and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Ever wonder how a company learns to build something truly great? Uh, Sometimes it involves a rather unique approach. Imagine buying a competitor's product, then meticulously taking it apart piece by piece. It sounds a little unorthodox, doesn't it? That's exactly what Xiaomi did. Um, Xiaomi's CEO, Lei Jun, recently revealed a surprising strategy. They purchased 3 Tesla Model Y vehicles earlier this year, and then kind of to completely disassemble them. Uh, the reason was clear. Analyze every design choice that they examined the frame construction and even the software. The aim was to compare Tesla's approach. It's considered best for electric SUVs. What really stood out was Lei Jun's attitude. He wasn't critical. Instead, he praised Elon Musk and the Model Y. And he showed both the YU7 and the Model Y side by side. He recognized the Model Y as an exceptional vehicle. He even suggested it as an alternative to the YU7. This level of respect for a competitor is quite rare. Analyzing competitor products known as teardown analysis is common of the system and same terms. And it's a standard practice in the automotive and electronics industries of the seasons. It helps companies understand materials, manufacturing processes, and cost management. Details often missed when simply looking at the finished product. And other, as an analyst, I've seen this firsthand. Like it's crucial for innovation, from smartphones to transmissions. There's even talk of Ferrari analyzing Xiaomi's SU7 now. Xiaomi's research and development have yielded impressive results. They're already a leader in consumer electronics. Their entry into the EV market has been remarkably strong. The YU7 launch was a huge success. Over 240,000 pre-orders were secured in just 24 hours. That's a seriously impressive debut. The overwhelming demand has created a challenge. Customers pre-ordering the YU7 face potential waits of over a year because Lei Jun, in a surprising twist, and is now advising customers to consider alternatives. He recommends Xpeng, Li Auto, and even the Tesla Model Y, because they can't fulfill all the orders quickly enough. It's like saying, if you need a car now and not next year, consider this. Pretty clever, right? It's a bit like a mechanic saying, my shop is backed up, but this other guy's got a great reputation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.